Swansea City have been promoted to the Football League Championship.
Nora's there, Louis there, he's on a handball, the referee's giving a penalty.
Williams with the ball forward towards Simon Brown, he gets the ball and he's got it in. Simon Brown gets the goal.
Southampton by 2-1 at Anfield in Better.
Marcus Babbel with the header 4 minutes from time gave Liverpool the victory.
The pass is towards the penalty area and strikes the ball into the net. What a goal that is for Anfield United. They've been rained on, they've been hailed on, we've even had thunder and lightning today as they've sat in an uncovered stand, but now the sun's out and no one's going to rain on their parade.
Can he make it 2 in 2? He can!
Up comes Heffernan and it's saved by Konstantopoulos.
Wrexham are staying up, you can hear the supporters chanting. Wrexham 2, Boston 1.
Free kick maybe. It is Mackin. Oh, and that's a wonderful strike from Levi Mackin.
His move from West Brom should be made permanent on Sunday. Ian Beddoe has details.
From Arsenal to Carmarthen, Cardiff City have tasted cup defeat at both ends of the footballing spectrum.
City, and they've been saved, Ian Beddoe.
Right at the death, Jason, and Mark Jones headed deep into injury time earned Wrexham a point. Not so much Wrexham v Lincoln this, more Wrexham and Lincoln against the weather. It started snowing 10 minutes before kick-off and it hasn't stopped since.
Well, Dennis Smith has had trouble with strikers and he's got even more trouble. He's just signed Sam Williams on loan from Aston Villa, but he doesn't play today. Why not Ian Beddoe?
Everything was in place from the club, from the Football League, from the FAW, but the Premier League didn't get the clearance to, despite saying they would. Now they telephoned them, they only found no answer from the Premier League because amazingly they don't work on Saturdays.
Further down the red, so is Mark Williams. Scott Williams with a box and the ball line, he comes to play.
Great work, Ian Beddoe. Thank you very much indeed.
Pretty pleased with the point at the end, but in all fairness the game was scrappy and sloppy, the finishing was woeful, and really the game can be best summed up in these 4 words: Wrexham 0, Wycombe 0.
And Ian Beddoe obviously enjoying his afternoon at the racecourse. Not much to say there, is there, Leighton, really?
On to the next one.